Countless pairs of hands, different walks, different colors, different race, language, or religion. Picking it up, capturing memories as they walk thus far. Encapsulate the Singapore experience, absorb it all. Because of these memories, like tiny little bubbles, fragile and precious, hold them dearly, close to heart, as they depict the Singaporean descent, merging as one, forming identity. From there, does the little red dot thus ascend. Whatever happens, I won't fret, for I know nothing can ruin this treasured asset, as you be our Singapore, one for all. So we stand here for you, all for one.